What is up, guys? It is a new day. For today's video, we are going to be installing the next of the roofing in the van right there. So I am really hyped for today, guys. First thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to clean out the van, show you guys the new flooring as the day after type of look, and then we're going to start cutting out away our pieces and start putting in the roof. But let's get to it, guys. The flooring came out pretty good, guys. As you guys can tell, this looks really good. I'm like, love that. As I was saying, the flooring looks really good. I really like this, actually. There's only one downside on the entire thing, and I must have missed it, but it's too late to fix it now. There's this little crack right in there, and that's a real bummer. I'm really sad about that, but I guess it is what it is. You can't really fix anything. So got these batteries as well yesterday. These are the ones I'm going to be using for the solar panels. I got 2 here. I'm going to get 2 more in a couple days or something like that, and we can go from there. Finally figured out how to turn this seat around, so that's a plus. I'm going to try and get one for the driver's seat so that that one will spin around and all that fun stuff as well. But without further ado, guys, let's start installing the roof. The first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go ahead and we are going to measure the piece that's already in there. And then we're going to start cutting out more pieces out of the tongue and groove, and we can just slip them in and then just screw them up. Okay, guys, so I've ran into a problem. Not that big of one, actually. I just need to put the fan in. So I've taken the under shroud that goes up under the underneath, and I've taken it and I've just traced it out on the top of the roofing right there. So the idea is you want to plan ahead for anything and everything that you can do. I wanted to make sure that I still had room for 2 more solar panels if I wanted to add them late on. My idea is if we put the box thing in the center right there, then we have our water tank going right here, and we can have room for 2 solar panels on that side. So that's the whole idea behind it, and if we don't need our solar panels over there, then we can still have our roof racks and etc, etc, etc. Without further ado, guys, we're gonna cut the hole in the ceiling, and then we're gonna make a fan hole. But I'm kind of excited about this process. Let's get to it, though. First step in this process is I have drilled 4 pilot holes, as you guys can see the little lights shine through. And basically the idea is you drill your 4 corners, which I had already marked up there with a pencil a second ago. You're gonna drill those 4 corners, and then you just take your saw and just cut it right out from corner to corner, and then you don't have any mess ups. I forgot my safety glasses. I'll be right back. Hey, I can see my house from here. Gosh, guys, that's really intense. Metal shards everywhere. Let's get to this. Let's finish cleaning this up, and then we can start installing the fan. Okay, so I have fit the fan in the vehicle now, and as you guys can tell, I put it in. I then drilled the holes, and I found out that if you use these like drywall things, that this will be able to anchor it just fine. Basically, we're gonna just screw on our little things on the bottom up there, and then we're gonna just tighten it and cinch it down with after putting some sealant in there, and then we're gonna squeeze it on down. Okay, so now all of those are in and around that. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, put some of this flex tape on the top, as well as, and then on top of that, we're gonna put some silicone just to fully seal it. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm running out of time because I have class soon, so probably just gonna go ahead and do that real fast. I was able to just finish caulk that, so that's all good now. And make sure that if you ever do this, you put a whole bunch of the sealant on top of the screws as well. That way the water will go down the screw holes and then you'll be screwed, basically. I just got that all down. I need to clean up and get ready for class. That was a pretty good install. We got that done and like half the roofing inside. So I'm gonna cut out pieces next time probably and just fit them in and go around it, and then we can have the entire roof set up. Anyways, guys, if you like today's video and you wanna see more of this type of stuff, or if you wanna see me work on my 350Z there, or on my Avalon. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because that's how you get to know. I do these videos every single day, which is another reason why you guys should. I will see you guys in the next one. Nothing left to say, guys. Guess it's time to end it.